Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a slime review for Slime Obsidian. You guys, I wanted to buy from Jacob for so long, but I'm always late to his restocks and he's always sold out. So I finally was able to snag some slimes. I actually only bought this one, which is Graham Cracker Cloud, but he gave me 2 extras, so thank you so much for that. I have opened this one up just to try it, but not the other 2. So we'll see how they are. And I wanted to save this one for a video because it's so pretty. And he gave me some candy too. Thank you so much. So we'll start with this one called Graham Cracker Cloud. Ooh, it smells like buttery graham cracker crumbs. It's so good. These cloud slimes feel very dense, but they're also like super drizzly. So, here we go. Oh yeah, that's good. It drizzles so slowly, I have no idea how he gets this smooth of a texture. I'm sure mine would turn out a little more close to this if I used a mixer. But I kind of prefer to make it by hand. I don't know. But it's so nice. So next we have this one. I'm not sure what it's called. I'll have to go on his account and check it out. Whoa, this one is like super thick, but also like really stretchy. I think this one might be like party milk or something like that because it smells like kind of like cereal milk. The sprinkles are so cute. I really like this one. It smells really nice. And lastly, we have this gorgeous one. I'm pretty sure this one is Mystery Gummy Bear. I think there's a gummy bear underneath the logo sticker, so let's open it up. How cute is that? Let's fluff this up. This one's actually thicker than the other one. It's like tougher, I suppose, or less stretchy. And this one flows way slower. Oh my god, but it smells so good. It smells just like gummy bears. get another fluff. So nice. I could play with this for hours. Oh my god, it's so nice. Like, the scent is to die for. All in all, I absolutely love these slimes so much. I think that my favorite has to be this one just because of how beautiful it looks and how good it smells. But all the slimes are amazing. I would highly recommend buying from Jacob because his cloud slimes are absolute goals. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I'm sorry if I sound a little sick. I kind of still am. I've been having like the end of a cold for like a week now and it's getting really annoying, but yeah. So anyway, hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want more. Hit that notification bell so you get notified when I post, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!